It's a hella foodie trip 2021. What can I fit in my gut? Woo! She look familiar to anybody out there? It's Friday. We have so much things to do, and Janelle is going to ride on a tractor. And I'll videotape her on a tractor, and she's in bed. Because we're in the hospital. I'm just kidding. It looked like a hospital bed for a minute. I don't know why. But yeah, we had a blast. I don't even remember recording in the evening. I don't know. We were watching the luau that was outside, and then we...
I think that was the last, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. And then we got round table pizza for Janelle and myself.
A $30 4-piece pizza.
It was... Damn, was
No,
it that
it
much?
was $10.
Oh. But yeah, it was the closest thing that was open at the time.
For a little snack.
Just for a little snack, because I don't know. Oh, I ate hella. She didn't. She ate French fries, so she needed some sustenance.
I'm a toddler.
She needed like real food. But we ate breakfast. We ate some like banana juice muffin. I might go downstairs and get coffee because it looked really good. It looks like it smelled hella good in there when we were getting ice cream. Oh yeah, we got ice cream. It's a hella foodie trip 2021. What can I fit in my gut? Woo! I'm off to the front desk to drop off a postcard. And then I'm gonna get some coffee. And we're probably gonna ride some tractor. Look at this paradise. So we rented a tractor to have coffee on and do physical therapy on. Look, there's other people on their tractor. It's really cool. You wanna go upstairs? We're in the Lagoon on our tractors doing farm. This is island farm work. This is how it's done. It's so cool. Whoa! Imagine if a kid got ran over in this place. Ran over with a fucking tractor of all things. Ours is probably touching the bottom because we're so big.
Ours is literally riding on time.
And it's sprinkling, it's like drizzling. It's so beautiful.
Dinner's over there tonight.
Yes, at 100 sales. This is amazing. It's nice, everyone's all spaced out. Stay away, everyone has COVID.
Dang, there's a ton of fish over there.
There's fish in the water. I don't even know if this could catch it, but oh, it's beautiful.
No, you can't catch these fish. There's no fish in here.
No, I mean like if I could catch it on the camera. I'm not trying to, I don't only think about
dinner,
food.
get lunch.
Charge it to the room.
exactly.
Oh, there's a fine? Charge it to the room.
Jail bail bond, charge it to the room.
We're just gonna charge everything. My pal is driving this to come park it. She has to come park it over here. Drive your tractor for the ocean corn. Yeah, they're eating. They're eating something. It's another fish. It's amazing. It's a buffet. Room service came. They cleaned all our crap up.
That's ridiculous.
Look, she's the queen of the pillows over there. Mine only has 3 because I gave her an extra that I wasn't using. Oh, I got hat hair now. That memorial was beautiful, bud. So beautiful. Now we're gonna just take a little mini rest and then go eat 900 crab legs at 100 Sales restaurant buffet something. Food place. We've been waiting to come here for so long. This is part 1. There's Caesar salad, poke, and some prime rib. Oh, and she got sushi. Was it California roll?
Yeah.
This is living like queens, man. Living like queens. I already took a bite of this custard, caramel custard, aka flan in Spanish. And then this was the macadamia nut.
They call it macadamia nut flan, but it's
Definitely like a pie.
yeah.
Have to have desserts. We just had a delicious dinner. We're so stuffed. I'm hella stuffed. And we're gonna walk up the beach side so that we could work some of these Dungeness crabs off because I ate a whole crab and a half, a giant crabs.
You ate the whole family.
I did eat their whole family. Ugh, so good. All the treats were delicious. This is why they call it 100 Sails, because there's all these boats here. Starting to drizzle again. Sprinkling. Look at that sunset. We're so lucky, Janelle. We're lucky.
I know, this is just luck. We don't deserve it or anything.
We didn't work.
We didn't work for any of it.
We didn't have hard times and hard lives to come to this.
Oh, we gotta take our car back by 10 o'clock tonight.
Oh, little fishers. We just returned our rental car and it took us forever, and there was a weird haunted story behind the highway, but we made it, and now the Uber didn't want to move or do anything, and I tried calling him, so I ended up canceling. I hope I don't get charged anything. And we just jumped on the shuttle to go back to the airport to try to catch an actual taxi, because I at least trust that they'll take us to the right place and not kill us and murder us right now, because there's like no Ubers running right now. And one good thing that happened, we've got this whole shuttle to ourselves, and the man was nice enough to take us. It's just us. Always VIP. This is always the party bus. Party bus slash, I don't know, VIP limo, giant limo. Man, sometimes you just gotta take a sucky situation and pretend it's great. That's not that bad. At least we returned the rental car, and at least that's off of our shoulders. Tonight we're just, well, it's already late, so we're just gonna go back to the hotel and chill and relax and probably go to sleep, and then tomorrow wake up and go to the pool, because our luau thing isn't until like 5 p.m. and that'll be a whole experience. And that's our last actual full day. Oh, I can't wait. More ocean living. I'm hella like tanned and burned and everything else in between.